Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to change formation in Fantasy Premier League on an Android or iOS device. Now then, to begin with, make sure to stick with us right till the end and follow the steps. You could go and install the app and then log in, or you could use a web browser. In my case, I'm going to use a web browser. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. When you've actually logged in, then you'll be taken to this sort of page. Here, what you have to do is now you'll be able to change your formation by making substitutions in your FPL or your Fantasy Premium League. The team is set up in a formation of 5-2 or 3. It could be changed to 4-3 or maybe 3 by clicking either one of the player in the pick team button, or you could go ahead and tap and swap them. So likewise, you could go through all of these and then just click the add button or whatever, and that's gonna take you to the page where you can go ahead and change the formation in Fantasy Premium League. And that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.